take that little bit of chip away. Right, is it going to fit? Yep. Right, goes that way. Let's pop it in. Then I'll put that one in, do them across there and work my way out across here and then down there. Nice. Your floor is always a bit squeezy, the DIYs. Bathroom floor, you always run out of room somewhere. What about some clips, dude? Cool. We have touchdown, Houston. What you see is what you get with Chriso. There's nothing sped up. It's all dinky dye. Now I've still got some mud mixed up. I'll pop that waste in as I go. But I'll lay those as well. Alright, we'll come back to you soon as. Thumbs up. Poke the subscribe button. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Woo.